Okay, I decided to add something to the end of the video where I made these into the container there. I have just finished making some glitter paper, and I have stamped all over the place with this, and there is glitter everywhere. So I went to my dollar store and I bought some cheap makeup brushes, and I used this to sweep, if you will, my area of glitter. I will not be putting it back into its glitter case because it's not on a piece of paper, it's on my workspace, and there is a lot of stuff. And I have dogs, so there is a lot of stuff and hair and everything everywhere. So I do dust this off with my makeup brush. And then I just throw it back in its little container beside me. Now, because I did stamp everywhere with Versamark, going to take off some of the top layer of this mess first. Now I have added alcohol to my mini mister, and I put a piece of washi tape on it so that I know that this is the one with alcohol and not water in it. There's hardly anything left in it though, but that's okay. Just going to add some spritz on there. Take my baby wipe, and now let's go to town getting rid of that coat of Versamark. Did get underneath a little bit there, so we'll just cover that. And then I just turn it a little bit, wipe it off. Somewhere on the table here is my cloth. I went to my dollar store. They had some of the microfiber cloths, like a pack of 4 or something like that for $1. And I cut each one into quarters and just pulled at the frayed edges to make it so that it stopped fraying, mostly. And then I use the little pieces because I cannot have a big piece of this stuff anywhere, because you know what sticks to this? Little pieces of paper stick to this so much. Don't put it anywhere near your die cutting machine. Learn from me. Don't put it near there, because when you get those little pieces that come off from your die cut, oh my goodness, it was just a sheet of paper scraps, a cloth of paper scraps. It was disgusting, and it was so hard to clean. So hang it up somewhere. I just tuck it into my lights. My light is right here, which I cannot move into the thing. I have these, I can't move either light into it. So I got a light there that clips, and it's got a little thing where its cable is sitting, and that's where I tuck it in. Just thought I would share that with you on how to properly clean the Versamark off of here, because it is awful. And you put your hand in it, or your project, or anything. Okay, let you go. Got to try to figure out what to do next here. If you have seen something that I've made and you would like to know how I made it, or you would like to see more process videos on how I do things, please let me know that that's something you would like. I generally just come in halfway through the project because I just don't enjoy watching too much process videos, because I find them time consuming, and they are consuming to make. Look at that glitter paper I made on the back of that. Isn't that pretty? Why, that was glitter paper made by me, with the process that I shared with everybody. I'll share it here again. I feel like I'm repeating myself now all the time. Anyways, I'll let you go. Have a good day. Bye.